Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382, and today we have a 2010 LM Hyundai iX35. This vehicle sustained damage to the front and left-hand rear door. This shape runs from the 11th month 2009 to the 1st month 2016. It has a 2-litre petrol 4-cylinder G4KD engine backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the left front guard, appears to have no damage. Left front power door mirror. This vehicle has factory steel 17-inch wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left front door, appears to have no damage. Left door trim, tidy condition. Left front seat, tidy condition. Left rear is a factory steel with hubcap. Left rear appears to have a good tyre. We have the left rear door trim in tidy condition. We have the left tail light in tidy condition. We have the tailgate. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It has a tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand taillight in good condition. Has a factory steel rim, 17-inch with hubcap. Right hand rear has a good tyre. The right hand rear door appears to have no damage. Right hand rear door trim in tidy condition. The right hand front door appears to have no damage. We have the right hand front door trim in tidy condition. Right hand window master switch in tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth seats, black vinyl steering wheel, with steering wheel controls in tidy condition, automatic center console, AC controls, has a factory single stack CD player, standard instrument cluster, have the left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, have the courtesy light with sunglass holder. Right hand power door mirror. Right hand front guard, appears to have no damage. Factory steel rim, 17-inch with hubcap. Right front appears to have a good tyre. Right hand headlight in tidy condition. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.